Hey everybody, I'm at the Rio Las Vegas. Rio opened in 1990. It was the first all suites in Las Vegas with 44,000 square feet for the casino. And it had the biggest buffet in the world. This thing had every food imaginable. Once we go inside, you can still see the remains of a track on the ceiling in which they had a special show they would do where it was like boat style or Mardi Gras style, and it would just go all around the ceiling. And it was pretty cool from what I've seen on YouTube. They don't do that anymore. They have this brand new food hall which opened in 2024. And they do a light show on the outside of the building. So I'm very excited. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to go in and give you a tour. Rio Hotel and Casino, part of the Destination by Hyatt brand, is located one block off the Las Vegas Strip on Flamingo Road. It has over 2,500 suite-sized guest rooms, including 1,500 newly remodeled suites. There's also a new 3-acre pool paradise and a massive convention center. And this has all happened since 2023. There's a lot of restaurants here at Rio. You have Voodoo Steak, Guy Fieri's El Burro Borracho, Hash House A Go-Go, which has massive proportions. There's also recent additions such as Lapa Lounge, which used to be the iBar, Luckily Tavern and Grill, and Canteen Food Hall, the new food hall which opened in January 2024. As I said in the beginning of this video, the 44,000 square foot casino space is now converted into 150,000 square feet. Speaking of slots, these machines right here are very new. This whole casino floor, as a matter of fact, is very new. So, if you haven't been here in a while, come check it out. If you happen to be a gambler, be sure to sign up for the new Rio Rewards program, which allows you to earn rewards up to 8 times faster than any other Las Vegas casino. For the pool, 15,000 square foot pool deck renovations are complete. The renovation features new landscaping, multicolored chairs and umbrellas, and a design inspired by the beaches of Rio de Janeiro. The new 3-acre pool paradise has over $15 million in renovations. There's a total of 4 pools, as well as 2 new bars out here and 16 cabanas. Now that Memorial Day has passed, they did have a lot of events, but if you missed it, be sure to stay at the Rio over the 4th of July, as more events are to come out in the pool area. You won't want to miss it. There's also a DJ on the weekends. All the pools have been redone, refinished, sealed. It's brand new, guys. There's also family pools, which is in this area over here, with a couple of waterfalls. They were not on when I took this tour, but maybe now they are. For the penthouse and villas, they have a remodeled 1 and 2 bedroom penthouse, 1 bedroom palazzo villa, 3 bedroom palazzo villa, and a 6 bedroom palazzo villa. Famous celebrities who have stayed in the villas include Elton John, Prince, and Britney Spears, just to name a few. If you didn't know, there are rooms called the Chairman and Presidential Suites, located on the rooftop of the Masquerade Tower, which is this tower right here. They've been refreshed and now available for booking, ranging from 4,500 to 5,100 square feet. There's a private pool, a large king bedroom suite, a bar, dining area, and games. As you can see at nighttime on both of the towers at the Rio, they do have a light show. All the lights are all LEDs, brand new. The light show is programmable with over 60 different shows, so you don't see the same show every night. They are still working on the pool area, so more to come in the future. When I recorded this video, Rio was getting ready to host the Front Row Card Show event happening over the weekend of May 17th and 18th. Room rates were $200 and the Rio was booked 100%. It was a full house, guys. And if you guys haven't watched my video for the Front Row Card Show event here at the Rio, link is in the description below. Just click on it and it will take you right to it. Did you know back in January 15th of this year, Rio celebrated their 35th year anniversary? As I said in the beginning of this video, it opened in 1990. Just within the past 10 years or so, the Penn & Teller Theater has been newly remodeled to fit 1,500 audience members, with balcony and mezzanine seating available for all performers. Penn and Teller have been performing at the Rio since 2001, with their initial residency starting in 2002. They've also been together since 1975, debuted in Las Vegas in 93, and now with the Rio. When Dreamscape took over from Caesars, the very first thing they did was shut down the pools and then started on the hotel rooms. And the hotel rooms are very nice. There's pictures on the website, plus multiple room tours on YouTube. Here in the convention center area, they replaced all the carpet and wall ceilings. The convention center has 5,000 square feet of carpet, the center being 225,000 square feet in total. The wine cellar has 2 wine tastings this month more specifically, including one Francis Ford Coppola's wine on May 30th, which is just in a few days. The Rio also has a brand new Starbucks, very modern in design, as well as a new gift shop, selling anything from drinks, merchandise, clothes, everything. On these machines right here, someone won $250,000 right when they were put in. So that's a tip for you guys. If you're in Vegas and happen to be around once a new slot machine is rolled out, play it because you could win a lot of money. As you guys can see, right here before you walk into this massive area, the carpet changes. So now, you're walking into a whole new area that this is all part of the original Rio. This has not yet been remodeled compared to the casino floor where the food hall was, new slot machines, table games. This area right here is still untouched. Here we have the Masquerade bar. I do like the lighting on this one. In this area, remember how I said in the beginning of the video they used to do a show above on those tracks? They had boats, balloons, floats, almost like Mardi Gras style. They don't do that anymore, but what used to be here were more slots. Now they took them out, so there's more space to do walking. They do have some events going on over here sometimes, especially when NFR was in town in December. If you guys didn't know, Kiss, the popular rock band, has this little car here, which is great for photo opportunities. Here's the wine cellar I told you guys about. As you guys can see here, for the wine cellar, these are all cast iron gates. And this stage right here, they do perform live music, and there's seats all around, especially like what I said before. NFR was here, they had a lot of crazy events. This place was packed, guys. There's more retail shops, Masquerade Garage, the parking garage, Voodoo Steak Lounge, and the Empire Strips Back, which we'll talk about that soon. As you come upstairs, there are some retail stores that are still in business. Others seem to have closed, unfortunately, such as this place right here. I just took this for you guys because I thought it was a cool storefront. Also, if you come upstairs, you get this incredible view of what it looks like from above. And here we have the Michael Goodard Art Gallery, which features awesome paintings and displays. More retail stores are open. If you guys just want to take your time, go into them. Check them out. Here's the Voodoo Lounge, which is your access to go up above the 51st floor. Here's the menu. I've never been here yet, but I heard the steaks are incredible. Again, here's another view from above. If you guys have seen Counting Cars on the History Channel, they have a tattoo shop here at the Rio. They also have Count's Customs, located off the Las Vegas Strip, in which you could go and tour the facility and see all the iconic cars that were featured on the show. More retail stores are open. This one more specifically looks like clothing. There are some food options up here as well, such as Smash Burger. This show right here, The Empire Strips Back, is a parody of Star Wars, of course. It's a burlesque parody, and it opened on May 4th of this year, so it's brand new if you want to check the show out. Prepare for a one-of-a-kind evening full of comedy, allure, and sci-fi in the world of burlesque. This is a parody production. Star Wars and its characters are registered trademarks of Lucasfilm Entertainment Company Limited or Lucasfilm Limited. This area right here has the arcade, and it has the Kiss by Monster Mini Golf, a glowing rock and roll party. Yes, you've heard that right, glow-in-the-dark mini golf. Hours are Sunday through Thursday, noon to 10 p.m., Friday and Saturday, noon to 11 p.m. Now, as I walk back to the front of the property, the newly remodeled area where I first started, I hope I gave you guys a great tour of the property, an overall view of what to expect, and the history of the place as well. All the new renovations and more. I highly advise you stay here if you can. The Rio is making a comeback, I should say. I would like to say thank you to the Rio Hotel and Casino for allowing me to film inside and give you the complete tour of the property. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment where I should do a complete walkthrough next, and as always, share it with your friends. And by scanning this QR code here, it'll take you to all my platforms which I'm on. YouTube, subscribe, all the other ones, follow. Thank you guys, and until next time.